Are you looking for the Mini 3D printer? In this video, we will show the 5 best Mini 3D printer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 4. The TRONXY Clay 3D Printer More 1 is a delightful and innovative machine that opens up ceramic 3D printing to hobbyists, beginners, kids, and adults alike. Its liquid deposition molding system handles clay smoothly, producing creative and functional ceramic pieces with ease. The compact 7x7x7-inch build volume is perfect for small to medium projects, art classes, and personal creations. The intuitive LCD screen makes navigation and control simple, even for first-time users, while offering quick access to settings and progress. Assembly is straightforward, and the user-friendly design keeps the learning curve low without sacrificing capability. Ideal for artistic experimentation, educational environments, or just creative fun at home, this mini clay printer brings a new dimension to making. Overall, the TRONXY More 1 combines performance, simplicity, and versatility, making ceramic 3D printing more accessible and inspiring.
Number 3. The longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is a fantastic pick for beginners and hobbyists seeking a large build volume without complexity. With an impressive 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7-inch printing size, it easily handles bigger projects and functional parts. The FDM system offers reliable, consistent performance, while the upgraded TMC2209 motherboard keeps printing quiet and smooth. Resume printing is a thoughtful feature, saving your work after a power interruption. At 95% pre-assembled, setup is quick and stress-free, getting you printing fast. Being fully open source, it encourages learning and customization as skills grow. Print quality is solid for the price range, and its user-friendly design makes it approachable for beginners. Overall, the LK5 Pro 3 blends size, performance, and ease of use into an appealing package that's perfect for newcomers looking to dive into 3D printing.
Number 2. The K10 Mini 3D printer is an excellent choice for beginners and kids stepping into 3D printing. Its compact 4x4x4-inch build area makes it ideal for small projects, school assignments, and creative experiments. The high-speed and precision printing delivers detailed results with smooth surfaces, impressing even novice users. Auto-leveling takes the guesswork out of setup, ensuring reliable first layers and fewer failed prints. The 230 degrees Celsius high-temperature all-metal hot end adds versatility, allowing use with a range of common filaments while improving consistency. Simple controls and intuitive operation make learning fun and frustration-free. Lightweight and easy to set up right out of the box, the K10 Mini brings 3D printing to life without overwhelming complexity. Overall, it's a solid starter machine that blends performance, usability, and reliability, perfect for young makers and beginners alike.
Number 1. The Luqeeg Mini 3D printer is a fantastic starter machine that makes 3D printing fun and accessible for kids and beginners. Arriving fully assembled, it eliminates setup stress and lets users start printing right away. The auto-leveling feature ensures smooth first layers, making every print more reliable and consistent. High printing accuracy delivers crisp details, while uniform heating helps prevent warping and improves overall print quality. Its unique beginner-friendly system guides new users through the process, turning learning into an engaging experience. Compact yet capable, this mini printer works well for small models, educational projects, and creative experiments. Easy controls and dependable performance mean even young makers can feel confident experimenting. Overall, the Luqeeg Mini is a smart choice for families, classrooms, or anyone just getting started in 3D printing, combining simplicity, quality, and fun.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.